Stop, stop, don't go any further. Am I not here? If you turn on the wheel again, it will fall off. Are you still driving forward if you are not obedient? Wait a minute. Wait until I park the car. I don't have a steel lead bag. There's no shit on the steel and lead on your butt. Count your kid clean. But it's good. Save me from dismantling. Yeah, I am, but it's not good for you because you caused secondary damage to him. You should know what I mean. Add money and it's over. The deposit turned out to be a tire growing on a stone. Small problem. Remove the tire and the stone will be saved. Who asked you to save the stone? Save the tires. So it's saving tires? I thought saving the stone. So let's do it. Take out the jack and lift the tractor. Put these to pieces of wood. Don't underestimate these two pieces of wood. There's an old saying, the daughter of the eyes is so powerful. Once the branches are up, you can start removing the tires. You see, it's quite deep. Is this stone powerful enough? It's pretty easy. The tires are here. Put it aside. You have to take the stone out first. Otherwise, you can't fix it. Let's take a look at how this thing is repaired. Well, not bad after such a busy afternoon. It's done. Get it and put it on. It seems that this old 8's technology is indeed not set. It's no different from a new one. Get the inner tube in first, then straighten the outer tire with a steel swab. This will start the machine to inflate the tires. This stuff is good. It burns when you pull it. After inflating the tractor, even if the whole repair work is over, 2,500 rupees and you can get it. It took half a day to add an extra 500. Something is better than nothing. Drive out and take a look. It doesn't work well. Not bad, not bad. Let's go. Don't go out and press the stone again. Okay, that's the end of today's video.